Your subscribers, today I'll tell you how you can fix your phone on your iPhone. iMessage activation and error occurred during activation. Try again. So how you can also fix it? So for fixing, just go to the settings. In the settings, you need to find messages. So just tap on it. And here you need to turn off iMessage and turn on again. So just wait some time until it will activate iMessage again. So another thing you can try also to go back and just restore your phone. So just go find here general. In the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power your phone again. So just simply restore your phone. And the latest option you can try to update your phone. So just go to the general. In the general you will find software updates. So just open it and just check updates for your iPhone. If you have it, just download and install. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel if you like, and bye.